Come on. You coming? Come on, Swiffer. Come on. I know you want to come. There he goes. There he goes. He came on board. That's what I'm talking about. That's what he does. He'll come on board when he's ready. Sometimes you just gotta, he's gotta see that the water's safe and there's no speedboats. There wasn't maybe one jet ski today. There really wasn't much going on, y'all. It's just a Tuesday afternoon, I guess you can say. But yeah, he and I have to make sure this thing is dry. It has to be dry. He doesn't like when there's water in the bottom. It has to be like perfect sailing conditions. Whoops, for Swiffer, look how cute he is. He's just so damn cute. He's just so cute. Okay, we won't go far. I hear a pontoon boat is coming from behind. So we're just right here circling my area. So there's no Swiffer, watch your head. There's no danger. We are not far from the shore. It's very close. I mean, it's maybe 2 feet deep. Right here in this area. Maybe 2.5 feet. Oh, Swiffer, hey, what are you doing? Come on, you know better than that. Get out of there, silly. You know better than that. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. Anyway, I have to pay attention to where I'm going, so. The current's pretty strong today, so I don't want to let it get away too much. I wanted BB. I was hoping BB would come in. BB's funny when he comes. It's funny when both of them are in here. That hasn't happened lately, so. But anyway, this is what he does. Look at Swiffer. Swiffer Duster. Who's a baby? Who's a baby kitten? I love you so much. Oh, I just do. Captain Swiffer. And I don't have my music machine or anything because I always get in trouble. Swiffer, come on. You know you're not supposed to go down there. Come on. All right, but anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. We're going to get ready to cook dinner and whatever. I got a few things I got to make just to clean out the freezer before I fill it up again. But you guys have a great evening, and we will talk to you later. Bye, y'all.